Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Nutcracker ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox New Christmas Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Nutcracker looks like. And before we check the ability of this Nutcracker, I'm going to show you how you can get the Nutcracker. If you want to get it, you need to have the Christmas egg and you will have 18.5% chance or possibility to get this Nutcracker. And I'm going to place it on my garden. Okay, and I'm going to view the ability of this Nutcracker, and this is a mythical pet, and every 12 minutes cracks open a random nutty type fruit and grants a random Christmas related reward. Ignores favorited fruit. Okay, and it can work if you have nutty type fruit in your garden, and it can give you random Christmas related reward such as the Christmas radar and then the Christmas present and so on. Something from this shop, I guess. And it works every 12 minutes. Okay, I think it's good. It's worth to keep in our garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the Nutcracker and Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!